Good morning. And today's a very exciting day because it's Snake Present Day. For those of you who don't know, snakes on a plane is for real, especially if you fly FedEx planes. So we just went to FedEx and we picked up the snake, and I'm super excited to get her. I like to check before. To make sure everything's good before I start recording, and everything looks great. I haven't seen her yet though, but I have felt her bag. So this is how the boxes come. This is from Tyler's Toxic Balls. Tyler is a great guy, great to do business with. Also, if you're looking for any frozen feeders, why don't you go check out his channel, or sorry, his website called Fuzzy Acres and Fuzzy Acre Rodents, I believe. I'll put a link in the description to this video below, and use the code TEXOMA10 to get 10% off your order. He does all kinds of stuff like quails, chickens, rodents, all the things. So just go check him out. He's a great guy. So one of the things you want with your shipping, he did fantastic. You want an insulated box, an approved box. This is a heat pack in it. It's still warm. We got tons of fuzz for her in here. Oh, you know what I didn't grab? Hang on, here she is. She's in a bag. She's pretty awesome. So now I need to go and get, he zip tied this. So now I need to go get scissors. That's the one thing I didn't set up. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back with my scissors, and she's way down here. So I am going to, I'm nowhere near her with these. You see, I'm nowhere near her with those. So we're just going to go ahead and cut that. Oh. Aha, got it? So now we take the little ring off. We're going to open her up. And whatcha! Oh my gosh, she's even prettier than I thought she was. So this little girl here is a pastel pied het monarch. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to name her Rahab, because Rahab made some monarchs, made some kings, made one particular, she was in the line of one particular king one king in particular, and he's my favorite. So if you don't know, look up who Rahab was in the Bible. But this is Rahab. Rahab is also one of my favorite female characters in the Bible. Her story is amazing, and I do encourage you to go look at it. But we do hope that she produces for us some monarchs here in the next generations, just like her namesake did for my favorite king. So isn't she, I mean, her yellows are just really pretty. Thank you so much, Tyler. She looks amazing. We're going to get her all set up in her new enclosure, or her new tub. Get her growing, and hopefully in 2 years we'll be able to start getting babies from this girl. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you for meeting Rahab. Usually I put these on Instagram, but I figured I'd try YouTube and update you guys on what's happening here. So we got our new snake. This is Rahab. We got her from Tyler Toxic Balls, and yeah, she's stunning. Thank you so much, Tyler. Evie, shh. Goodness. Like always, go have an adventure, touch some grass, and remember just how much you're loved.